Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
My homies keep on checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call any day. You can.
Ama episodes ethu esiwenza siwodwa have been actually performing better than ama episodes othi singabiza abantu. Singabiza abantu.
I'm sure senhle ngaclip sound. Linkhuzile I think ngamemesi.
Save for Madlila.
Yeah.
He always
save
going
for
crazy.
Madlila.
Yeah, Madlila has a cult following.
Lathi laba ngalesi siloku cult following. Ngathi wesifunela thina.
Kuma comments on wezi divizelani vile mimi. But kumele sibizi member.
Yeah, mele sithi capture phela istory same.
Thina njengama patron of the local arts, we also like to support and create platforms for other patrons.
That's it.
Patron umuntu olalela umuntu yenzayo.
Akona kwa.
So metron
yinto enginanzelele ukuthi yikho kwenzakala. So angazi senza njani. Singasabiza abantu.
Yeah, abantu that is our job. That is also our job.
Because lenye into ndiyabona resi ukuthi sibuye la. Gebe ku expense yabo. Uchisa fuel. Ngachisa umchova. Yo. Then unubusinika 200 views.
Hey. Well, I will say okay. I mean I know what it's like to be an artist mina njengomuntu so retire. Ukuthi
So retire.
Isingelile. So, I know the need of platforms like this, bro.
Yeah.
And I know what they do. Plus, Tina, one of our bragging rights is at least we know the audience is organic.
Oh, yeah.
And it's the people that they really are looking for.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if someone else can give you 3,000 people who are just bots online.
Yeah. But ama-bots lawa necessary. Yakupost picture ku Instagram ucomment ama-bots kubetha. Uzwa appreciate. Kungala commenting nje one.
That story.
Yeah.
Why is everyone viewing my story and going to the bathroom? See.
Just relax. Just relax. But angazi abantu maybe nxe bangasitshela ukuthi siqhubeke yini sibiza abantu ku platform or basifuna thina sodwa.
Osibize bona. Elina. Abantu jewa amagwala abantu ama-keyboard warriors. Mina kunezinye zijala ukutype ama-comments embonani singazibiza la.
Ziyaphelela.
Zwi the whole time.
Avele social media I think injalo.
I thought the dog was going to be here today.
Yeah, bekumele bekhona but then she's not feeling well, yabo.
Oh yes, she
So,
did say.
Yeah.
She
did say.
yena futhi wathi kimi ngathi umgcini ngakutshela ngathi nakulomgcina sobangani
Asazana.
shapa sobangani
Khazibele kahle vela.
siyabe sibunga uhlangana ngaze shoot podcast.
But manje bekuzaba fana kunganani ukuthi sichayisa ngesonke sesiyamvakatshela.
Hayi badala wena kusikwenza kube uyethu
Drive ikona imoto eyi-1 so
Sibone lokhu izinini imoto eyi-white ipakile lapha. So breezy lo. Sesifikile but yeah, dog couldn't make it because she's not feeling well. Then
Loma 40 also couldn't make it sadly
yeah.
because he hasn't been feeling well his whole life. Yahlanje cut.
This time around, no way.
No, plus okunyanti abantu bese complaina besithi oma 40 yathanda uku-interject kakhulu makukhuluma abanye abantu. So decide ukumnika ikhefu ngisho.
Engathi uyabhodla.
Engathi uya relax.
Hayi.
But I know
he will be back
Yeah.
stronger than ever.
Ma-40 lama fans phela labantu bayendawo ma-40.
But izitori bayazithanda but usuka
Anganika abanye ithuba.
anganika abanye ithuba.
Abadala bathi
Man has a lot to say.
samalawu.
Uhlala yena ele story like when i story nisakho la
You know I was telling my sisters. I was like, I've been chased 40.
So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Chill.
welcome to this is a special edition,
Specialos.
This is special edition.
Limited edition. Siyaqala si-release for ababhadalayo.
Ababhadala. Bakhona vele abasibhadalayo res. Ngibona ngani kwehlile bro. I think it's le 20 rand kuphela.
Yeah, and nalo usisi ngubhudi we-20 rand.
Ngo 20 rand ngiyoza sibuyela kuqala. So we are coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House. Zulu Fashion House, yeah?
Angithi kuyavela.
Yeah, kuyakhanya le aesthetics zangikhona.
Aesthetic is a little.
So guys, before this here anyway. Alifuna siphenduke la. Mawufuna ukusibona sila for the first time. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi thina mebhaza yabasilalele nxa sibacela ukuthi ba comment.
Abantu basilalele nonto. I basilalele kwesikhathi.
So
basilalele.
Nxa lingaze lisilalela namhla ngicela lisilalele oku serious ukuthi abakwanisa abantu babuye bazothenga lapha ngeTuesday. Babuye bazothenga lapha ngeTuesday. Uralph uzasitshela about the place ukuthi kungaphi senza njani.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and then bahambe bayofollow futhi ku Instagram. Mele lambe leyo spam so like
siyafaka la awufaka uzafaki
yenza faka i-description la. Ngiyazuza ukuthi umuntu osibukile uma sithi sizafaka la maybe ngxotshe ukuthi siyafaka phansi kwetafula. Sizafaka ku description khapha. Kuza make sense mase upload video. Yeah. So ungasitshela bro ukuthi singaphi.
Oh yeah. We're coming to you live from the Zulu Fashion House. Are you tired of wearing the same old clothes every day?
Yes, I'm tired.
Want to add some excitement and flair to your wardrobe? Look no further than Zulu Fashion House.
Let's practice that. Continue.
Yeah. So our fashion experts are dedicated to bringing you the latest trends and styles from around the world, from ladies' dresses to men's smart casual and semi-formal wear. We have everything you need to turn heads and make a statement. Remember, basemol your doom. So definitely the
Imbali Mall.
Thenga khona ikudla lapha.
Yes.
Leloni leni green la light ngimuva la.
Uyiqala uchene la so hamba ngale phela la.
Kulama lingerie futhi la.
All right. And with our commitment to quality and affordability, you don't have to break the bank to look your best. Yes.
Yeah.
Visit us online on our Instagram page at ZuluFashion_house or at Imbali Mall shop number 10, Bulawayo, Zimbabwe today, and start turning heads with our stunning new look with your stunning.
Danko.
Yeah. Guys, let's go. We're taking lama scents la.
Oh, there's really nice colognes here.
Yeah. Pull up.
Bulama Yves Saint Laurent. Yeah, what you pronounce in Jaro? Lady Yves.
Yes.
We got Yves Saint Laurent here. Kulambo uloku zenini wati.
Ulela njare.
Hey, I'm cleaning my panty. Ladies, it's really nice lingerie here.
Yeah.
Kulendo labo into two chains that repanga. Two chains that shiva. Nigga, God bless you.
Yeah.
That's long you
I saw boob tape trending the other day on Twitter. It's there too.
What's that?
Boob tape.
What?
Boob tape.
Yeah,
boob tape.
See, boob tape.
Actually,
let's
boob tape la. Ingcezeni ngasitshela. Yabona ikufunakala.
Yeah, like boob tape lapha.
Kuma episode anje kufunakala khona umuntu wesimame la. Ukuthi explainile ukuthi Grand Sharp.
Ekhulume se. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it makes sense now. Because you use buza man.
So you use once.
Yeah, it's fine.
When allows ukuzibuza.
When uyakubona okunye uthi hayi uNkulunkulu kadali so.
Nah, like uyabona emahlombe kungela strap and then
Wasisi sebenza ni boob tape.
Boob tape.
Into ugcina zithandayo.
For your Instagram photo shoots.
Sebenza ni boob tape.
You can use
body
this.
shame.
Yeah.
No. These are essentials, bro.
Yeah. I-boob tape li essential.
Yeah.
Kube lathi kubi khona.
Kube lathi yakhona ngabe siya.
I-ball tape.
Ball tape.
Ni ball tape ngayirock. Oh but do protein bros aya.
Labo ni image gala Lil Nas, I think he had ball tape there.
Oh. But this is good stuff, guys. Actually makes sense now. So but
for every
you were today years old, eh?
Yeah, I was today years old.
It's your first time seeing boob tape, bro?
Yeah.
Really?
Thank you. Again, shout out to our landlord, Zulu Fashion House.
Zulu Fashion House.
Introducing
Sesifaka abafana styling. Abafana ukuthi ibhubhi yabantu. Ingavayiselo tape. Benzo take stuff esiyo.
Stuff sharp. Usungaphuma
irage. Duct tape yaphuma le nibu. So please ladies be safe.
Agcina Zupho Mirage.
Yeah.
So yeah. How are you doing, guys?
Easy stunting. I haven't been here for what? How many? Did I miss one or two?
And you're Papa. You're Papa. 1 week in, 1 week out.
Anyazama madoda. Yikuthi
Yeah.
iprime ukuthi ishow lesi shoot ebusuku. So mina lapha enhlala khona igedi yakhiyo. So I can only do like twice a month.
But I'm in the cave.
Ngikhefi enkhawada, so I can't be here all the time.
But I think ngoba sharp sengiqalisa uku-interview abantu abanjengabo Madlela labana abaziwa ngabadala yabo.
Yiyo ama interview ngatshengisa abadala
Yeah,
bebona ukuthi.
yeah.
But then I'm trying so far so I stay ball tape.
But ikukuthengiswa. Kanti nxa umela balance ke.
Angabe sithi usubalekela abantu be-TTI solutions laba selikugwenqa. Buy some tape.
Balance.
Yebo.
Dieting. So I know it must call these days vele sengilisha nge question of the day.
Oh.
Yeah, question of the day because this is a Monday, yabo?
A Monday or a mandate?
Monday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. I'm with you there,
Yeah.
bro.
Are we together, bro?
Yeah, we're together.
Yeah. So this is a Monday. Question of the day is, would you let your friends date your sister?
This was a nice question for
I said,
Mafodi, you know?
Mgcini.
This was going to be a nice question for
Yeah.
Mafodi.
I'm for to be as 25 minutes kona. 25 minutes.
Ungayekela abangani bakho or omunye wabangani bakho ajole lo sisi wakho yini?
Mina, I will answer from my end.
Yeah.
Ukuthi mina ngingajola lo sisi wakho ungumngani wami. Ngabe inzaza ukuthi ngenze into eserious la. Nawo ngembuye ngini ngizoyenza uchapha.
Yeah.
So I would expect you to ukuthi problem ngamajide ukuthi you know each other too well. That's the other problem. Ukuthi wona kunje so. Ama side mission yakho bengwazi.
Yeah, wazi.
Kule story wena phela kule story ngixoxele sona nje singaqasa record. Esingijengela amazi limbona ukuthi ngumangelo. Ngize ngathi for the first time I have nothing to say.
Yeah.
So wena ngasengizazi stories zakho lezi ya.
No, but mawuthi usisi wakho laye wenza ubulema njengami. Indawo yawazi ukuthi usisi wakho.
Afuzokuchisa vele ku situation kwakhona.
Yeah.
Abadala babekwazi, abadala bathi induku enhle iganyulwa
ezizweni phela. Ezizweni nxa
ezizweni
The same badala bathi kuno olungazwali uthezwa.
Thwani
Abadala benu laba.
ukhuni olungaziwayo aluthezwa.
lawa ayikho nyoro. Ahlanza indaba. Ahlanza indaba. Kuma kuthatha la.
No, but la kanti iganyule ezizweni phela ezizweni anti kungini.
Ezizweni kungini wena uthi ezizweni.
Asihlali sonke phela.
So wena usizini clubs ezizweni.
Xa mphuma phanje ngaya ikho ezizweni.
Hayi ihamba khatshana vele. Hamba khatshana lapho singakwazi izistories zayo chero wakho izistories yabo.
No, but nxa kuyi situation yokuthi usu decide ukuthi usufuna ukuba serious. Of which kuyenzakala.
Which is true.
Yeah.
This is why I backed up my point ngokuthi if I was
Yeah.
to do something of that sort, I would make sure it's a serious relationship. Yabo.
So ungavuma wena ukhulumele wena but
Yeah,
wena
I'm assuming if one of my guy friends, I like to pick my friends very well. Point. So if you are gonna date a sister of mine, especially if you have a but at the end of the day, I want to ask anyway. Yeah, you know, it is what it is.
but
We are so.
okunye futhi I'm thinking of a situation yokuthi dog mina bengikutshela ngama situation njengana le ngikutshela ngayo. So sengijola lo sisi wakho ngibe ngikutshela ukuthi mfana
Njona kwenzi. Now I also it's also difficult for me to take sides. I guess both of you must now know ukuthi I can never take a side unless vele akuzamene inside lesisi wami.
ngihle ngithi hey komati waza liyapheka fana.
Awukhuluma isibongo sami kulo kuzenyiwa mfana uzambambisa amasitheni. Kulomunye umuntu futhi ngani uthenga inkukhu kimi this week. Akade sebuza information eningi ngani.
Unamanga?
Ngathi ufuna isichebo bhuti
Kumbe usudinga mina.
Kuma usudinga mina.
Speaking of inkukhu, asihle shayini advert yenkukhu before siqhubeka ngendaba yethu lokuzeni.
Bang dereng. Ngibe lenye ke ya trend but kunamhla ngigezanga so I can't do the same thing.
Iphindi izame sibo.
Hayi ngiyiphume namhla.
Osplay yona la.
Lena sesingayifaka. But ile sound angizayikhipha. Ayikhiphe.
Yeah, so mele siyenze kaje.
Hayi ngile mina I am a a patron. Mina, I sell. I'm a thick booty chickens. I am so confident in my product.
Yeah.
If you can find a chicken with a fatter booty than mine, evulawa ungiphathele. Ngiyakunika inkukhu mara. Boom. Oza thola inkukhu enone kule yami.
Ralph, yes, ukuthi sesile task this week.
Sesiyadingana le
Inkukhu elesibunu ukudlula.
Eka big juicy.
Yeah.
Thina zethu even masizihlinza siyazispenka nje. Uyibhanya sidlala. Anagaza athi inkukhu yami izinto ezi. But I do have the thickest birds in the market, bro.
Yeah.
But these things are sold out because of some very genius marketing.
Kati imali yelo kuzenini inkukhu zidla ni.
Iproblem ukuthi kumele ibuyele. Yabhowa nje kayifanile.
No, but at some point imele siyikara.
Well, I will cross the line. Okay. Ukuthi eyinye ngani iphelele Highland Football Club.
Iphelele ngapi?
Highland Football Club ngene kumnandi ngathi. But ayingaba iswi kuzakhala.
Lithenge inkukhu zika Kbrizzy. Yeah. Thick booty
broilers.
Going back to ekujweleni domnako. So bensathi akusayenza ukuthi ngikutshele mina ukuthi
vele so alter i-dynamic ye-friendship yethu, even incele i-dynamic ye-friendship yami losisi wami. This is why I'm saying it has to be something you're willing to go the entire 9 yards, the whole 9 yards
so serious.
So serious ungaphonga ukwenza into zakho ufuna uzenza nje nge-weekend.
When Ralph, what's your take on one of your boys dating?
Kuchile. So amadezo zonke sidlala uFIFA lapha nolokhela umnawo. Hayi.
Yikuthi kunezenkani lezene ezathi uzamthatha yini wena?
Hayi, but still.
But yeah, that's the question. Uzamthatha yini wena?
Hayi, ngeke ngimthathe. But mina ngikutsho ke ngiyaba awkward.
Yeah, it was awkward, bro.
What if manje the gen okay, ngingabhodi asizwe imember yami lenyazi labo sisi le. Wena ungavuma yini? Wena ungavuma? Man, mnike mic.
Give him the mic.
I think there's
wena ungavuma into ngicasa unyenyela ngini check njengoba sihlala sonke la yini
Jopra. Sabona ukuthi la njengomembu njani. Yabo. Otherwise ungaphuthutsha la nje FF vele sawuthutha nje FF yabo.
I mic lay on.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, cool.
Sawuthutha nje FF vele. So fanele uthuthe la le focus. Otherwise
can't do into serious.
La focus very high.
That part I agree with, but now my question was, what if the genders are twisted? What if, let's say the same question goes for girls. Mm-hmm. If both of you are girls and then one of your guy friends wants to date now, so for Amachita, when let's say and then one of my abangani bamba mankaza na sefuthi lo mnamo ngomfana. Lokana we don't mind.
Amachita. Because society vela siyakwazi ukuthi
leli sexism
ama
ngomjita kuyisi nxa kuyime songa kumnakho ngumfana hayi switch hayi yabaqeda masokumnakho inkazana somele ngibuye ngigqoka isudu ngini
sebemqeda usayenza
barani sasilabo sizi that besithi labo basiqeda so siyaqedana kahle
but nje nxa remember okunye futhi ke depend ukuthi because kulomunye ukuthi he's your boy remember lafunda lonke kudala
yeah.
But nxa kuyimember yakho lana ukuthi kungaso kumele siye Mncedisi uye ngiyifonelayo nesidethu mnama kuphuma
yeah bro
akuphumi
sizolo ngimenzeni
akuyenzi nxa kuyimember yami lana ukuthi imember yami nje
licordial
line cordial yeah I mean I think ngiyamele sibili link convince sibe like ukuthi into serious
iko ngutho
yeah like ngingabona ukuthi no into le genuine
singaba i true love le
balokho ufuna ngekho genuine yenzani.
Eish,
but nxa sewe khethile bro.
Mujayita si.
Saka mujayita. Indaba ngani lokuze nini?
Therapy timing. Saka mujayita si.
Saka mujayita si.
But yeah, first second class le.
Indaba ngathi yapha ngiza.
Around one.
It's not around.
So to our viewers and listeners. Lilawa nabe abamankazana between mina and Kbrizzy mbanelinga
wena mfana wena
mbanelinga mvumela ukuthi ajwele lo mna wena and even the Cohost yeah and ibazi voice la I think counts
and lama opinions
lama opinions lo ma 40
they think I'm crazy
lo ma 40 so ulo mna wakho oyinkazana umbani ongamekela abe umkhwenyana wangini phakathi kwethu la.
Uyathola amavoti
Phakathi
amaningi.
kwama-local celebrities.
Uyasithengela
Mgcini
ibhakede
babemenzani
lebisi.
eManchesini? They touching the hem of his garment.
Yo bro. Mncedisi.
Nazi ngathi umfana famous lo.
Okay.
Mncedisi was a vibe.
Mgcini you couldn't
Sikhuluma
have
ngamanje,
one
right?
conversation with him. Just ungaqedisa ukuthi kathi lapha ni-Arsenal omnye umuntu Mgcini. Wow.
Yeah.
But even Johnny Mncedisi, like your take on the whole event.
I'm not feeling ngiyifida mina. Ni-Mncedisi I feel like it's one of the few events. Well, I'm not
I
shitting
feel like
on anyone.
Mncedisi uyithanda ukudlula podcast.
But could be Mncedisi every Sunday or every month.
Yeah.
But kulama vibes ngale manje.
Yeah.
Into here's my main question. Kathi kulabantu abagada ibhasi bebuya for emergency because there is always people we've never seen before. I'm not saying ukuthi mina ngitshone ku 6th Avenue yonke umuntu ohlale kulawa nyamazi. But lama face majenza ngale esingawaziyo. And for me it's like I feel like if a face like this was
or labantu abadala.
But I saw my emergency
ngikutsho kumgciki.
I saw emergency force ekumanje. So if it was just those guys kuphela,
Yeah.
I'm sure even abantu babogwanda,
Uthi babona.
Gwili,
Wena kwabantu begwanda bazi emergency
the members escort.
bathutsha
Gwanda uthi ungathenga ipizza somele ulumisa induna. Asogwanda.
Ukhona abantu begwanda babukela podcast. Baza sizababona namuhla ngoba
Emaqembini.
sebaqalile.
Yozobona.
Yeah, emaqembini.
Maqembi
Yeah.
bhek.
Kule ndawo egwanda uthi kusemacimbini.
Mina kulomuntu engimaziyo owalokhuzayo. Owasuke eAmerica landi emergency. Bendi slide namhla la.
Handi power ithanda.
All the way from
16-hour flight.
America, bro. Like emergency, bro.
Egadindeki.
Yeah.
Nazi power emergency.
Yeah.
Abantu bayigadila.
But this time around, experience yakho binjani like?
It was dope. Angwazi. I don't know what I can say
Yeah.
because do you know what's
Because
crazy?
we have stories.
Oh, we've gone for 2 now.
Yeah.
Because ahamba kuna December. Hey. December. Ngo December.
Oh, sase fresh laba.
Abansa.
But even namuhle bona ngathi
Ngathi sokulobucwelezela.
yeah, ngathi kule cicwa.
Emergency. Mina vele a big debate that was happening around emergency was abantu beHarare besithi bayicela ibuye eHarare. And then zwana phela. And then abantu bayisithi kathi nxa lifuna wayilingayilandi ngapha. And then wasukaswa kathi naselifu gatekeep ubunandi. Kathi of which for abantu who actually do the event, going to another location if there is demand for it is good business.
Yeah.
You wouldn't turn down good business for ama vibes abantu sitting here.
Yeah, lati
Baranga ni carnival seyilanda.
lati podcast le.
Lifuna silethi carnival empopoma.
I-podcast le lati singathola abantu maybe ngcele se-Cuba bathi sebefuna ukusibukela bengu 50,000 singasakhulumile labantu abasibukele ko.
Sikhuluma
Siyahamba.
Sounds like good business to me.
Siyahamba yabo. So, business opportunity.
Well, you know, one of the arguments also, I feel like we spoke about this. Asanga sikhuluma ngakho lokho.
Isakhuluma ngakho but bengubuza ukuthi experience this time around.
Oh, yeah,
As
that's
compared
fine.
to-
I mean, for the first time in Munch and sip, I actually experienced both the munch and the sip. Usually, I just go for the sip. But this time around, I'm forced to tengula. Ngadla i-fish taco.
Oh.
Yazi i-fish taco wena.
Ngiyazi.
Ngadla i-fish taco mina.
Ema ukuthi into ezinjani njani angizidli bro. Mina mele bekwazi ukuthi into le ihlinziwe kumbe bayikhe esihlahleni.
But is that not the...
Ugcini vele yale ngenzela mina ngapha ugcina nje
Yeah.
na.
Nangidli
Iphokho
into
uyadla?
ezifana. No, ayiphoka ngidle best.
For religious purposes?
Yeah.
Ramadan.
But lakho futhi into kuyichaya phela
Bro.
like
Jeka singadiscover.
ungahlala kuma countries anjenge South Africa bro.
Sata.
Chances of you eating pork ungawazi angazi thi.
Yeah, astronomical.
Ngakhumbuli
Yeah.
isalente emnandi njani ekhanda ngabuza afterwards kuya ile pho.
Akutshela wena.
Astronomical. Kala udli phoko.
Hey jeke
Nah.
saphikisana dude. Bra,
Inyama limnandi kakhulu.
mina vele ngabona ngilukhu mina phela
Because
ngiyazi noma
it's a little
ngiyikhanye.
pale.
Lijwabu lama kanjani. Ina wanganilokhu zinini. Le yabamba inkani le.
But imnandi
Bara
nonetheless.
sayikhwelela lo.
Kanti lithi yababa.
So,
Iphoko
yeah.
imnandi bro.
So uzithi pork.
SDA vele bafuna lenze lingayenzi yonke into emnandi. Akula nto. Yonke into abali stop ni SDA imnandi.
Imnandi.
ngoba
But I feel like
abadi-stop ukusupport o-Liverpool abo-Chelsea because lokela kufahla yini but utshwala iphokhu imbanje balimisa ngoba ekizirupha khona yabo so ungabona anything
I need a comment. I need a comment.
ungabona
But
anything ane-SDA ifuni ziyarupha
I feel like Christianity vele nje yonke. Because ikhona ezinye izinto sihlangana khona vele sonke i-Christianity engazifuniyo. Yabo ezimnandi.
it's true very
Yeah, just give me one.
Like in church phela father abacha khona wine yabo.
Yeah.
Lika.
eRoma.
but anje kuthiwa kanti abayichaya under certain circumstances or yapho ungena udonsa icrate
I think sometimes nxa kuyi-service day angkhona wadonsa.
nxa kule bathi yini ingwanda nxa kule Easter aba-celebrate Easter
But i-create church hayi. I think it's too much, man.
I want to create your
I think
remember I was
bachaya
telling
good,
good,
but yeah.
but anyway,
So mina i-experience yami this time around emergency bro. I realized ukuthi abantu babukela i-podcast le. One. But again, singathanda ukuthi abantu bonke bona labana babukela i-podcast babe bazocomment like this episode, comment as well. Yikho sibona khona thina nxa singazange sahlangana endaweni zabo-emergency
we really don't know
uRalph ucommentile uyabukela i-podcast and uyayithanda Kbrizzy njalo njalo bo. So I noticed ukuthi abantu i-podcast bayibukela and abantu bangazi bo.
liyavuma mdala
this may come to you as a surprise.
this may come as a surprise
But people know me, yeah.
i-podcast ngangiphiwa ama-pointers lami ukuthi ngandidakiwe but abanye beningalizwa yikho engekho namuhla
Guys, nasi lo.
azilalela
Ngemphe ngikhuluma ngodokotela ke.
Yeah.
Asithongo lutho.
ngikhuluma i-girlfriend yami
Abantu-
bathi ngalethi i-girlfriend yami nabathi
Bro.
sekukhombisa njani
Like the love, bro.
yeah it's true
Yeah.
I'm really grateful for the engagement that we get from people
But then uyakwazi futhi kulove nalana futhi kule hate ekhona from amajita futhi.
hayi
So ngoba le scenario ukuthi nandivele that day ngihamba ngiyi-one. Yabo.
ngena backup
Izimembe engangihamba lazo zathi Jay ungahamba uyi-one, ungabhodabhoda uyi-one. Yangithi angiyathanda ukwenza ingane. Ungihamba uyi-one. I'm like, why? Phela it's not that deep bro. Angafiki mina.
kulevel
Usomele ngiqasa ukubhoda lapha engibhoda khona.
ube le backup
Hayi. Like mana ngihambe ngiyi-one. Phuma labanye izibhodela laba. Sembona omunye ichere ngimazi bro. Chelo nohlezi phansi.
story lesi is already gone downhill lesi
Chelo nohlezi phansi. Ngimbone sibili kasukuweva. Mangithi ngiyasondela lapha. Ngihle ngichayisane le ngimember vele ihibuye ngathi yangikhulumisa bo.
okay
Ithi awufa malume. Mina sure.
sure
Mina sure it's her. Girlfriend yami.
wala
Ithi-
unga-operate
It's her girlfriend yami. Ngithi ngiyachecka ngithole vele sokulezinye izimembe
sokublock ukuthi umalume engadluli
mina shit. Ngathi ngakhumbula ukuthi la amajide wentshelile athi
ungaphathiwe
ngihambe uyi-one.
Yeah,
Hayi
that's
chance ithi no.
but kade wona sokwanika ama-vibes wona lawo wena you just a matchmaker are you not
Yeah, but in the process phela akutsho ukuthi wena wahawukelwa.
ngeke abe khona nama-comments ebesithi mina ngifuna umalume
Yeah, bekhona.
ikhona iyayibonile ichirwayo
But indoda uza blocka kuze kube nini?
wena uzuchathe block uzuchathe kanje i-objective uzumthatha umuntu wakho
Yabo, so ngenye into engayinanzelela emergency lapha wena awuphonga ukukhulumisa
hayi lakho sokusiba lama-levels
Yeah.
sebelistopa sebesithi mina ngathola nje just genuine love maybe ukuthi lama ngihwitha
But yabona the fact that yabona mina indlela engiphethe ngayo. Ngitshelana the fact that akazange watsho anything.
but weza ukuthini
No, even afterwards.
vele nalacina ngakhulumisananga
Even afterwards.
awusafikanga la ku-camchair ukuthi izikhipha
Angisafikanga bro. Nganyafika njani sokuma abantu abangu-6 la.
mgcini istori lesi uyasisethi lesi
Bra.
istori lesi isisethi
Ngafika ngahlala phansi so. Athi bana majida bentshelile. Suma, but then angafika endlini ngaba ngichamp block kuchela.
But this is what you want. I said ithanda sometimes sebesifuna ukukhulumisa bona ama-jacket nafuna ukusitshaya so
Majaki ngafuna ukusichaya.
ngingalithi siyazenzisa.
Plus futhi yabona mawuthi ugqama ngilazi jeki izinto ezinjengokulwa jeki izinto aziyenzi vele. Because yawazi ukuthi ungalwa so kumele kuphume $300 after
That's if there's nothing else futhi utakula zinyo liphumileyo.
Lokho ngokwamehlo kuphela.
Ngokwamehlo kuphela.
Kuzathutsha indaba zamapholisa kuzathutsha sigcine sesiramba la ukuthi but yeah
nokukhulumisa abantu ngiyazama. One thing vele I notice for like being around the city mostly is abantu bazakukhangela. Umuntu ebekukhangela. Subona umuntu lo yakwazi lo. Yabo? Umuntu lo ungikhala kana ukuthi khalithi omlingaka in real life. You know what I'm saying? And then ngingadlula kuzathiwa sometimes simeze ngikhulumisa abantu uqala ngabonga ubona ukuthi ngendlela ngikhaleka ngani uyangazi. Oyaphisa ngifo ngithi etha
ngalamyenza njalo.
Sithini sina easy.
Smile and wave boys.
Smile and wave boys.
Smile and wave.
Smile and wave. But ayisiyabonga.
But ubhuqu futhi yabo.
Munch.
Yeah.
But that's the experience.
No,
futhi ayikithe esamendeni.
Kanti nothi mazingihamba
Uya complain ngebeach.
hayi beach vele samba singaqokanga luthelo kwezeni impela.
Ubuye manje ungaqokanga right. Kanti lifunani kanti? Do you know, actually, I feel like the other thing is there's not a lot of venues that can accommodate event lana anymore. Mncedisi is too big now.
Either a matter of size.
Either by BF of which abangani be BF was time egedini esingavunwa qamba.
Yeah.
Oh siza eQueensy kulomnye minister othodikhiwa. Ungubani? uColtard uzangena ku Twitter esithethiselane
athi yiziba wangena
so other than that iselande White City
members are number 1
ama salad so the drive White City White City, where is that, bro? And then actually mina ngaba le experience mina ngihamba namanika
ngaphi ku Mncedisi
phela Mncedisi ngihamba namanika amanika esedakiwe sesilo amanika lo afani yazi I'm fucking pissed, bro. I'm fucking pissed, bro. Get the fuck out the car, bro. Ngade aliso lichane nasakhuluma isikhiwa lisadlala. Ngakhuluma umdi lisadlala.
I'm fucking pissed.
I'm fucking pissed, bro. Ngiyaza kufly no cap ngade. Ngena nemoteni isikhani.
Actually sibe ngalichaya futhi.
Abantu no, I do have an experience. Hey mina kuthi ngiyadakwa. So mina sengiphuma naba but lapho engisiya khona is the opposite direction ye town yabo so I had to now drive back through traffic so kusaba le tsutsuru yabo tsutsuru ezimoto lena vele ukuthi kuphume kanzima enyimembe ngihamba la siphumiza umucela imoto engemva ukuthi amachida chetani
then dina bese lishaya
bese sithi bese si bemuthi bemshaya ngifamily yonke ugogo wakho unyoko
ngabani
oyikhakhi
kanina
imembe yami ifike
wafedunusela ilanga
so sasile imoto le ingani ikhombi ifike evula ikhombi ethi gents sesikhala la ngaso fisheti ngayigqoke that day yayintsha nje that was my first thought ukuthi my baba
baza kudabulela
bandabulela isheti lakho ngakhipha isheti ngiya khona ngani namankoromela anila wini vele la manzela wini la
plus futhi babe sebe rich skin lula ndoda umuntu ukuthi cut
ngisakhakhulisa abantu abahamba njani but luckily imoto isase eTareni yabo so sensithi ithi ngimove itrans ngipake hayi ndoda kuthutho lunye vele uthi vele ubizobani emoteni yakho namntu mesaba emoteni le ngithi well I gotta do this because mina ngihamba lo muntu esimami
lokhu zeni le yakalesi
ndoda Mncedisi phela lesemphuma
how
yakwazi into nale ngetsho lo membra athi afuna ukuthi athi ngizokutsela after that membra uthi ngabona member lena lichuna la podcast le rust iphikisana lezinye member ngiyakutshela so
anyways
so where's
yeah
so mase mbonda alapha I've been called out it has to go down ngithi niyaphuma emoteni turns out kumbe ezinye boys zakhona Kbrizzy siyamazi uqala ehlamba iqolo yathi hayi wena ulikhiwa sili lawo ngoba sithi mana ngoba nothike sabi umuntu emoteni zathi zamxoxa zathi fiseko nami emoteni khamba ebigijimisiyana ngathi imbize buyela S2 yathi ithutha manje ne-S2 usisi wakhe is my friend yathi ubhuti wami hayi iboys zangithwala zangifaka emoteni zavala zathi start imoto uhambe bhutas
asifuni we don't want smoke
start imoto so ani podcast yanisave that day there's good ones azela silk shirt abafana wenza ngiqeda
ngafike FQ
vele abafana wenza ngiqeda vele kuba ngikho ku podcast abafana beza ngenzela amanga that thing ngoba babele energy abafana.
But I get off experience ekube njani this time around Mncedisi.
For me, it was the company.
Yeah.
That's to me. I company and like
Oh,
bro, my little sis.
Company.
Company.
Yeah. Yeah, and also.
Ongalibona.
Yeah. So yeah. For me, that was it. But in terms of other things, I've attended. I think wonke Mncedisi. Maybe ngakuthe 1 year kala. After that, I've been going there.
Really?
So yeah, amanye special mistake for me. You're phezulu.
Lapha nokule loan.
I mean,
uthi sasihamba la
siphuma ibeef
not even khona lokho. Even the way abasetha up ngayo, it was the first time okwabuya khona imember leziyana ezikhafula umlilo. Because the mistake it was epic.
Remember leziyana nephuma ngazidinga njani.
It was epic. Mistake ngazaqhayiza khona ukuvula. It was epic that side.
Nangambukela stage ngoba umlilo usuthi.
Investing is
sahamba sonke sazidinga
sasiqedile.
Wayeqale wayadingile ukuze nini vele.
Angavukhonisa nabanye ngathi kuyini.
Yadinga please hayi vela kwenza manje ngiqale ngedinga
abangasedayike lapha
samdinga
but anyway khona we really had fun yeah really had fun.
Yeah, but I think it's a good experience and
it's
for
really
me it's a confidence booster yokuthi ngiqhubeke senze i-podcast so seeing ukuthi abantu ba commenta
abantu babona niyazidlalela mosithi vele i-podcast lady is really not much benefit
from
doing it.
Eyokuqala sibili manje ngokungani yithi esipomfika sawo sinyama khona lapha esikhona lapha.
Yaqala ngenini Ralph leminyaka emingaki lapha.
Hayi kondala kakhulu.
Ngahamba kwa 2019 yenza sezipopa. Ese tin cup.
Yo yeah lena zazipopa tin cup. Then kwasukusiba le talk ngangale hillside. But ngangale kwe hillside dams lane private school.
Amna ngale ngangaka.
Waterfront. Lapha neke isiqala khona ipopa.
Malithe. Mgcini bamklona.
Hayi
Mgcini kana ama picture akhe before i-podcast take off.
Not even just the podcast bra.
Lamakhala kawasafani.
Ngizafaka
Mgcini kasitsheli maybe kulama sponsor lapha amnika
ngizafaka ngizafaka i-picture before le after like ngibukele i-live video engangwayenza ngambukela abantu abayi4 but I think in 2 years bese ngibukela abantu over 1,000 bro. That's why ngile hope ngilange podcast
lokho nyali mina ngithi awusafani
angisafani
kulokunye osokatshintsha jeki umuntu uyambona uthi ube nje sekhulile lo ngani badinga uchomo ofana lo Mgcini bam replace for i-mass control mina vele ngizahlanganisa le ndaba ye-building lana engayiposta engayidlula entumbane yathoka i-building kuthiwa ngabe emagwegwe leya enje so njengesando abantu bathi ngiyamanzi ngubani okwazi ukuthi i-building lana ngiyani asibeni honest
akona muntu
uyabona nje uyabona
le picture
ngizayifaka i-picture khona uyabona lapha
ngani isando sikato
esigudugudu
uzachucha that day uzachucha one day fika zompole into le
ndoda
ayithathi thola ukuthi thina vele siyibunyonyo
selake labona umuntu engena kompani ephuma esenza anything mina ngazi mina ngizange ngibone
ngabahlala khona they know
sona uthi bangiclona bro
bamclone isigudugudini Mgcini lapha ingabaclona khona for i-population control
esinye phela duze lo masiye phambili isigudugudi
yise ngisitshoyo uyabona kuma siye phambili ungafike thokwini ephela ndaba iphela ndaba
no I'm saying emasiye phambili nga duze le Montrose sikhona
Montrose yabo and mine lapha siduze lana futhi lapha siduze lapha ne-ZBC because siduze se-Montrose Studios so you know in case uRuben Barwe so mina iclone fast bemphosela ku news you see I'm going with this listen is ngaleziduze e-White City in case uAriel umakiti so mina iclone bambi chai away match fast yeah ne dizantshela but uJomlo kind of before after
ngazizeyifaka i-before le after slow quiz.
So yeah, I was saying imanje la izange yaqalisa nje ukuthi kwakunjani lapha. That's why ngeke ngabona futhi interview yakhe uorganizer sithi kulezi izinto that caught me by surprise into ezinjabo waste control or whatever because one day manje ethu ecila abantu kusase kusemnika zwevenue eserwanga labo makhelwa
so you to learn to
indaba sebetopa amakhondom asebenzile
wena khona
so yeah
lingadakisa abantu egangeni vele. What do you expect?
Yeah, khona vele zebe zizakhani.
But abakula light kakhulu unless bakhona abakuma comments abangasitshela babona anything senzakala.
Yeah.
Ibhundu likhona bathi.
I think vele abantu nje abantu always be people vele.
Kathi uyayenza ungakahambi. Oh hayi uyabusavula i-account.
Umathi waza kanti bekhuluma sokukhuluma experience la. But what did you think about the Vicfalls Carnival as well? I think ubhuti wethu lapha ohambayo ngiyangasanga uyibrief ukuthi bekunjani uCarnival.
Well, on business side, it was decent.
Okay.
It was decent. Besides,
No, it's
the
not
fact
business.
that-
It's business. It's a ledger. Could be business.
No, not that business. Not your business.
Oh,
Not your business, but business.
Real business.
Okay. Oh, food side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Food bandits.
Food bandits.
Yeah.
Yes.
Food
Fwe, fwe,
bandits.
fwe, fwe.
Bandits
Yeah,
in the-
yeah,
Actually, le umesisimjampisa kakhulu ukuthi ngubani njengoba sesithe wabuyethula amakhondom ese-emergency.
Nasingakhuluma.
Yeah, I think I could.
Para sikhuluma ukuthi Vicfalls Carnival.
Vicfalls Carnival.
So the crowd was good. The crowd was good. Besides
Yeah.
the fact that they split 2 functions, one in Zambia.
in Zambia and Z.
Oh,
They
really?
paid for $6, and everyone else was going in for 50 and 90. That's what I heard.
They paid how much?
$6.
$6.
Yeah.
Mana $6 ngapi?
Zambia.
They like the Zambian side.
Then thina ngaba kule inflation.
$90.
US
days.
dollars, bro.
Ikubela 90 US.
I think okunye maybe
50
nxa is-
for a day.
I think
so
okunye is because the Zambia baby introducer maybe.
that's what I thought.
Ah,
So,
but are you telling me people from Livingston don't know Munch and Zip?
Yenga. Yayise Livingston.
Carnival.
Kumbe bathola somewhere close.
Livingston. What's it's the Blue?
How far was it from the border? How many k's?
There's a new hotel called the Blue something.
Okay.
Is it close? But it's close to the border before you actually
close
get to
the border.
Livingston.
Yeah. It's in the it's along the river.
Oh, we stretch konkia.
It's along
Oh,
the river,
okay.
so
Yeah.
it's-
Ah, it makes sense.
Ah,
makes
okay.
sense.
I mean, surprisingly, I didn't see a lot of pictures this year.
Yeah.
Well, what
Thina
I can say is maybe people are still trying to,
Thina besile like besile media team sibile ehambileyo on behalf of
Yeah, shout out to our
the-
media people.
the podcast and
Fun.
UIO memes. And shout out to Ubongani as well. Ubongani is the one that plugged a partnership between Vicfalls Carnival and
Nkampani enkulu.
and Nkampani enkulu, yeah.
But
That's why
honestly-
this is sikhuluma singabambanga mic.
yeah.
Like
honestly,
it's
it
because of
Hands-free.
abantu
It's
abanjalo
always
abasinika ama-opportunity ukuthi partner with them, advertise their business. Njenge
Zulu Fashion House.
Yeah.
Are
Your
you
plug.
tired?
Wearing old
Listen.
clothes. You should come here. So shout out
Yeah.
to Bongani ngokusiplaga.
Fun.
Abanye abantu baqhubeke besenza njalo futhi even the food bandits. Ama-light wona la kanje
Come on,
aphela
guys.
ngaphi.
Come on.
So abantu ama-businesses just-trustayo ukuthi si-advertise their brands. Like we really appreciate you guys.
And you realize also in the name, in the entire culture of this Uguti, that's why it's also a little, it's a gray area for us to stop having guests here.
Yeah.
Because most of this survives on partnership and creating platforms for each other and supporting each other.
Yeah. So shout out. Kubhozo labana nxa singabiza umuntu esithi siya-interview wena singa-interview.
Mana, play, to be honest, abantu bebhosa ngibazi.
Ngihamba ngiwazi ama-play bhozo bro. Ngazi ukuthi kulo rasta kodwa. Urasta
Yeah,
lona
Lord,
wangena
akangenanga this time
no like
around.
previous
That
match
one,
bedlala
yeah,
la
wangena.
the chicken in yeah.
Khale nawele ngabuya ngempangweni.
Hayi. Umdala kabi.
For the vibes. No, I was there for the vibes.
Umatinda unjani? Umatinda is still a
No
boss,
way.
right?
He's still there.
Yeah.
What's
he's
he doing
now an
there?
assistant
Oh,
coach, yeah.
okay.
So
Oh, ngabona ujahe ethe picture la. Ujahe ethe picture lo Madinda.
Umgcino uthatha
Mina
ipicture
ngathatha
lo
ipicture
Pete.
Peter.
Wathatha ipicture lo Peter.
Peter.
Peter. Episode sithi
Peter.
abantwana hey what yeah.
I'm just things was just
Asikhulile.
Oh, it's true. Says a Googler.
So anyway, summing up the carnival.
the carnival, like honestly, it's the vibe.
It's the vibe.
If you wanna enjoy
Outside of
outside,
Perimetangi.
Yeah.
Mncedisi is matching carnival.
I
twice
need-
as much.
The carnival is it annual? Is it once a year?
It's once a year.
Once a year. Yeah.
But ilokhu zaphela ika-3.
Mncedisi ngani
Mncedisi-
try meter ngokuphinda.
Imanje kada so April,
times.
August, December.
Yeah, 3 times.
Three
Yeah.
times.
It's a
Mncedisi-
solid first
Suzukwazi.
time. Manje nzibi box nama condom fana 3 times. You got to imagine sex.
There was Joshua and Mansion sex.
Imagine sex.
I remember.
Namhla kula muntu ohamba echecha ufuna ukuthenga utshwala. Siyabushosha namhla manje sex.
Imagine sex.
But yeah,
It's actually good when my events are anjalo like Kekula growing, yabo. Hoping ukuthi baza singenisa mahara lathi one day. Sesikhona ukuthi sirekhode i-podcast yethu in front of a live audience. Mncedisi inkinga kare sirekhota nge-Samsung. So abantu amelanga babona ukuthi Samsung bose
bengasithathela phansi.
But sesile makamera lana
live audience abantu bengasihlupha. Oh senza lokhano kube le perimeter nje abantu bebe lokhano kwenziwa abo CNN
ama bodyguards at that point. Don't worry my boy. Don't worry.
Anyway.
Yeah, so guys, liyezo abahamba uCarnival bathi bokuchaza. So Lina the social media stop the cap.
I've been seeing abantu besithi
a lot of negative things, yeah.
Was showing but ungananzelela
abantu what?
Showing. It seems like there was more niggas and less honeys. So it was showing.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Isilenge sija.
Yeah, ngisaba ngani iminyaka yabo imncane mbijana.
Shwang.
Yeah, it's shwang.
Yeah.
So
shwang.
Yeah. So the carnival was shwang, but
babe hambile.
Barabanya to
ushwenga usespare. Ngisizwe.
Abanye bathi yayishwenga ababe hambile.
Even abanye abaperformayo bakhala.
Abaperformayo.
Like nabanye abaperformayo.
But ushwenga
I will not name drop cause maybe sebengcina bengabhukwana maybe my Twitter abaye.
Oh la uqina so testify so well.
But abaperformayo 2 or 3 sibili bathi
ababhadalwanga.
Ushwenga. Baphomba ukuthi wakushwenga.
Oh, because
maybe ama fans azangathanda ingoma zabo.
Yeah.
Thola ukuthi. Well, Tina, as long as we are happy with maybe the podcast can be associated with events like this.
Partnership play Carnival. It was quiz.
Aye, selifoma man. Selifoma sling man.
You don't know the choir?
It was quiz, bro.
This guy.
I wasn't telling you. Bro. Alright, let me
You don't know the choir, for real.
Bro. Our partnership was quiz.
This guy doesn't know
it was
the
not
choir.
sure.
Ngisa la bakona silengezile mina ntshone town mina.
Sakutshengisa.
Ngizwe umuntu oyi1 esithi quiz.
No, uzakutshengisa. But yeah. Partnership bethu bisho.
So into yakhulunywa umuntu oyi1 futhi limaziyo.
No. Ikhulunywa abantu abaningi bro.
Quiz. Shwang.
Ikhulunywa abantu abaningi but not loud.
I'm hip my boys. I'm hip.
See,
but yeah,
bringing the 80s
so,
now.
So abantu abahambileyo okunye futhi osongabe kudetermine ukuthi ibimnandi ukuthi ku general ngoba ku VIP.
Ngoba backstage.
No, backstage. Yeah. Because ngama different experiences futhi andiyakwazi.
Yeah, I guess so. Awonye phela mina check awonye take care abantu on events kwesinye isikhathi ilobu uyabazi ubu complain a brag. Like umuntu abengani uyacomplain but it's an underhanded brag ukuthi yena ubehambile. Angani these kind of events. Father uthi umzesithi as it be my qedi fuel. You know what I'm saying? It's a complainer brag. You know what I'm saying?
As if flight le as probably incane kakhulu.
Into zethu fast jet.
Fast jet.
Yathi fully booked.
Yes, yabo. So sometimes abantu banjalo.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nganathi hayi Mncedisi bana ukuthi wena usungani you have elevated above.
Plus abantu bahlala besola bro.
Yeah, abantu bahlala.
That's
what I wanted. That's what I wanted to say ukuthi akulanto vele engaba perfect even la khona apa so setups recorded there's something that didn't go right.
Yeah.
So nxa unomuntu adebukele lapha ehlambi sethu.
Kodwa ngani ngiyisibonda.
Yeah, so people always find something to complain about.
Usizwana hate my feelings that. So
But ama comments la madodeni ngiyabona.
This is ubuhlungu.
Bakamele si appreciate yona la amaningi. Abe buye sithi we like the podcast. Uma 40 khuluma kakhulu limxotshe. Yabo?
Ungitshela ukuthi mina ngisibonda nini.
Izinto ezinjalo.
Actually,
but bengibuza ukuthi nxa singabiza uplayer lebhora lapha eleZimbabwe imbani uplayer singali interviewer right now.
Usuyasenza sikhanya ukuthi lathi ngathi sibazi.
Yeah, but
abantu sebengasuggestile.
So ambeka ngake.
Mina ngazumakiti vele.
There's Peter Mdua, right? Like the guy who was on the PSL team of the week or something.
Oh,
that's guy.
Mm.
I don't know if you want
I would tell him like mina This year, says attend about matches Highlanders amangani. Ayi 2.
2, yeah.
Wena 2 la one.
Hmm?
1, this one.
But ngali clubs azikhala sesingathi 2 ngoba le hlamba zazi equivalent ngale Highlanders club
Karozwa nhlamba bani ke.
hayi ngeke ukukhuluma but omnye bathi unyori ichafu pheke suza athi wow sebuya ngeli bhora mina yazi first 15 minutes ngambukela imbaka first 15 minutes ngaqala ngayesowethu
Kule out liyani angazi ngibe. Yefuna ukutshontsha town.
Yethawu.
ngachesa la egedini sithi thawulo lethina yithe siyifaki yithe siyiloyileyo kuthiwa ithawulo lena bayiloya yikho kwahlohleka igobhora right igobhora lena engene yini
Akoba on goal ya.
Ngabona kulomuntu oyirecord video. Ngayibona later onyangena yangena.
Okay, like mana.
Ku Twitter idinga ku Twitter.
I feel like goba. No yadlula well, it's fine.
igobhora lena engena igobhora lena limpompong
No.
Masanya.
Kule video
Yathi
lapha engena.
impongpong ekuqaliseni. Then remember la nathi zame 2 jokes 2 ukuthi uyaqhiya. Yikho faka khona phakathi.
la ngene nethini
Langena.
akubhora la ngene nethini lapha madoda
Ke ibhora langena la.
Laba urefu wathi mpri.
La Chinese.
uzantshengisa mina ngaboni mpompong i-atmosphere yathi wa urefu wathi phela noma mina ngikade umjova nsendlini
Phela bakutime but
time mina majita lana.
I feel like experience a grand BF laba.
So I will say this again, I'm not shitting on where I come from, but you can count on your hand the number of events that are actually beyond just being events that are movements. Ngoba sonke sihambe eBhawa, but uphume eBhawa you have no story that is attached to whatever. But I feel like into ezinjenge ukebhoreni BF
I see this sonke sihambe eBhawa but continue.
it's fine. BF ile culture beyond just
Yeah.
border for 90 minutes uhambe. Maybe Mncedisi also has kind of like a texture to it that is just beyond going to an event.
And the podcast like iyakwapha.
Podcast, the greatest podcast on the planet. But I'm not demon with your party, not how fun.
Uzwi. So this is njani.
You are nini gati.
Into
So I go to this Daisy visa ngani inzima.
Yeah, sisa busy yabona sasela ama guest amaningi.
Sana ama guest amaningi.
Ora ufa sithi ngabona ule product lakho i project elizathandwa nje ukuthi iboss ithanda njani. So set for a lifetime.
Yeah, but then again, hey.
Was so said.
Yeah, was so set.
But I wanna iboso ile inyi hook that we all cannot. If you have a product and you participate in a commercial space, you cannot draw. I'm not saying anything, but you cannot draw certain lines, like maybe ethnic lines. You cannot isolate religions or cultures or tribes. Yabo? Am I making sense? I'm trying to say something without actually saying it.
Akhuluma direct.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I think it's indeed.
Ngizwe. But yeah, ekwanisa
Mina
ukuchasisela abahlala ku.
Uyabona ngeke senze i-boob tape yethu. Ngeke senze i-boob tape yethu. Sithi kodwa abantu besabatha bengayithengi i-boob tape le.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
But Iboso has this one group of people.
Yeah.
And it's a matter of pride, and that's it.
And then
I don't think you can get a product to be that strong.
You can, bro. You can. Imagine.
So what can you do about Jambo? Look
Uchuni.
at so different.
Yeah.
But anyway, like yabona iMncedisi abantu laba ba identify ukuthi ngiyabo bulawa yabona babe proud njani bese.
So exactly. So now we're also, you're drawing like a marginal line of which you can tell, okay, I can eat off abantu bebulawa. Let's make it strictly a bulawa thing.
Yeah.
So I'm like, can you do the same with a product? Like
Yeah.
a product like
Ongathola like
okay, maybe I'm thinking too narrow in like a tangible
like
product.
I product enje so ungaphala
abantu for instance abantu behle bezitshela ukuthi
isibamba amabele
iZulu
Already
fashion
Zulu
house
lawa.
le.
All right.
Yeah.
Hi, but khuluma wena.
I'm saying abantu like bengaba le attachment nanti iZulu fashion house le. Ngaqoka into zakhona it shows ukuthi umuntu wabulawayo. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abantu bebe flow kavela like they'll be going to
Okay, I guess.
something. People
Yeah.
always
Yeah, I
come
guess
and that doesn't mean ukuthi la khona ngale
you can't.
akula ma products
Akhona ama-producers
accommodate
anjalo.
le
Yeah.
okay
Yabo.
okay it's
There's
fine
also a team like that.
You're my
right?
competitors ankhona.
Ehe.
ukuthi lina lingafa thina singafa
Ibhozo
Exactly.
ledimbare.
So when ungathola
Yabo.
i-product is a creator us against them feeling khona okay?
kanti
Yeah.
thina vele sile competitor la podcast
Nah, bro. This
Fedete gents cash us outside
Hey,
how about that
Asishiyane la khona.
asitshiyane indawo.
Lokho kuyahlupha bro.
what up
But-
gents anyway
But yeah, I would suggest ukuthi ukuhamba uyebukela imatch yeHighlanders kube i-top 5
experiences you can do
experiences, yeah. Wale
ungahlali
podcast as well.
ibhoso ile podcast yeah well that's great news I'm not laughing that's great news bro but linga ebhoso lingahlali ngale
Singedlali ngale
ngale ngoba bagcwele
empankweni.
lingahlali ku VVIP liyana engemva kwegate liya
Oweso wethu.
hayi lokhana ku right ufike 10 minutes ukhangela uthi usuku uhambe ku right kunjalo cause kulabanikazi lokho
Ngitsho ukuthi kwakubheda bro.
it wasn't that bad but lamagcina ngasabukela ngibhora
Kule members ayingena ngamampama that day bro. Kwakuyi Highlanders versus Wange. Hayi members ayingena ngamampama la.
alabani uyathola laba alabani uyahola laba
Cabanga ngiyabonga ubaba umuntu.
vela kula butsaga kula butupac uyahola lapha ngoba kulaliyani eyibamba ithawula esinemponji sivuza igazi che hayi ibhora ngiyalithanda sibili but hey
Lokani.
hayi
So we
nazongangitshayela i-podcast
hayi but la kwenza ukuthi sicine sesitshayela yona nje. So that's why mele sinanzelele abantu esikhuluma ngabo la. Ukuthi singa offend abantu.
lina nje yini answer lifonelo cherry kuma lokuzenini
Hey.
alikhuza ngathi zithini ngathi awufuna ukungishayisa kanti ngigcinisa ibinde singaka esokuthathu sathathu
Para kuyatholakala. Azwana sithi kuyatholakala. Kube isigwenqa somlomo. Kuyatholakala. What else has been happening besides Mncedisi, Vicfalls,
Kulelo
Carnival?
kuzeni lokho but asoma political expert but ngani kuthiwa iKremlin ibhonjiwe
Ikwini?
iKremlin ayazi iKremlin
Naba.
cabanga iCity Hall but eRussia
Oh ambonile ukuzenini lane. Okubuye kuflap phezulu. Okulifaka cracker lokho.
akulifaka kreka ngoba but bona they are considering it an act of aggression and a threat an attempt on Putin's life
Plus baqala umuntu ongayisuye bro.
now the question is to Ukraine but now the question is
So it's okay.
but emergency nxa usiyabhomba ungasendo kulifaka cracker hayi mana ngathi ulifaka cracker lawo
So kuzayi kwadamage kuzayi.
akutshayile sibili but libhomba
Ufike wathi
leliyani
pshu.
elabogweje la yamahole
Ah.
iUkraine unabembona niyasend ukuyimissile but anyway some people are thinking ukuthi it's 9/11 like did Ukraine really do that
Or we test.
hanje semfuni excuse yokuthi senzo kuchaya manje
Oh, they actually did that.
ngifike endlini ngiqamula i-charger yami ngingene mina endlini ngithi ungcina uqamula i-charger yami vele ungapi kanti bendinga excuse yokutrapha vele but I don't know on that front but there's a strong chance that a full war might break out in Europe in the next couple of days so
Then,
abantu be-UK what up
That's 4.
say vibes over there and then
But then like umbuzo wami ukuthi how then does it affect thina ngapha? Like ngiyakwazi ukuzasha maybe economically because
I think that's the first assumption
Yeah.
ukuthi if there's instability then the great British pound might be affected and any
Sorry to interrupt you. If you like zangekhwela that time empilweni
yeah.
i-fuel yakhwela i-price ye-gold yakhwela i-price ye-bitcoin
Gold mafia.
layo yamove around so
So iko mafia yenza imali impela uzimali.
yini uzifakazisa wena
Case of bleeding the fifth.
the artificial intelligence but so one of the two is going to start the apocalypse between Russia the artificial intelligence uDrake ngane kasela job
No, but ingoma lena bayikhiphile esikhona ku
Vele
Spotify.
bayazikhipha ndo.
uzikhipha but
Vele
clearly
so
we have
kule task force kulo muntu ohlale mele ukuthi kuphuma ingoma lena ikhipha.
they keep it. But now we have opened the Pandora's box because Do you know initially, because of automation, people assumed ukuthi where was I saying this?
Pandora's.
Oh, every time I'm kuruma, I feel like into this thinking I kuruma somewhere. Abantu assumed ukuthi the way automation replaced the more monotonous jobs, like when avela usebenze eplanteni sana ngithi when ufitela ufake ibawudu dlulisa ufitela, those jobs were the first to be replaced by autonomy.
Yeah.
So people also assumed ukuthi the jobs that have more repetitive skills will be replaced first before ufika kubo creativity.
Yeah.
But AI ihle yathutsha yathi lizitshani lihlakaniphe.
But AI is beyond.
Lithu Drake.
Thinking yomuntu.
And one of the chief pioneers where AI retired.
Okade sebenzele iGoogle.
Or spent the last 10 years developing
because iGoogle la until developer AI yayo.
So here's what's crazy about technology AI. It's the same thing that happened with the nuclear race. Yes, thinking yakhona is a situation yokuthi asithi sonke lapha siboshwe singene ejele sebesivalele eselini siboshwe dog mase siboshiwe dog yangizwa Ralph mase siboshiwe basifake eselini lapha
ngekuzwa dog
sonke sisicabanga ukuthi la bazangipenetrate la now lalela given akulo ufuna ukupenetrate omunye but you're thinking ukuthi ezaqala ukupenetrate isisivusa sonke la so ngcono ngiqale mina. Do you understand? Because all of us are thinking it's inevitable to have penetration.
Yeah, penetration.
Nobody wants it, but it's inevitable.
Yeah. So
whoever gets it first. So it's the same thing that happened with the nuclear race. No one wanted nuclear weapons, but everyone's thinking was, but if I don't develop them and Iraq gets them first.
You're saying a weak opponent.
Saying weak.
Yeah.
It's the same thing that happens with the alien technology. That's why about Area 51 are so guarded, because these people want to incorporate alien technology to warfare, and whoever gets it first, nobody probably wants to. His story say AI. Everyone could tell from the start, this is a bad idea. But if someone gets it before me, they might use it against me. So let me try to get it first.
Itrete khona bathi ingaveli fike ezandleni ezingayisizo, and abantu bankhona ba realize like the extent of it damage yenza, because right now information yokuthi is there isikhona like ebantwini, like everyone,
but the full scope of what you can do with it,
extent yokuthi ungayisebenza okunganani inkulu than abantu think right now, like
by far dog, by far.
This
guy said
sikhuluma into zenezi zama drone strike lan nxa AI learning ngasesandleni engayisizo, someone can actually be commanding esihlala khona la.
Bro, at some point umuntu yabe sekwanisa ukugenerate episode yeByoPodcast ku AI ahamba upload
singikho
yazokuphelile ngathi
woman for an hour and gone
ubuyithi mfo
lathi sesibonga uhambe manje sikhulumisa abantu abayi3 njengani imagine like the regular fucking civilians. So this guy quit his job like uthe ogoqile laptop ophumahamba. But I really am also upset at them for that, because ungalayitha njani umlilo ubona indlu usibhebhe uthi sokusija phela la susukuhamba
of which into khona ukuthi umlilo at the end of the day umlilo lwana indlu zadubuka vele and sizabona sonke.
Ngizasala ngiyi-1 ngithengisa inkukhu bafana, because angazi AI yakho sikwenza ama-thick body broilers. But yeah, it's looking bleak.
But it's not only AI which is a threat right now. Even the global like climate change. Of which climate change yiyo ezagcina futhi si-affecta indlela wena operate ngayo inkukhu zakho. Thola ukuthi wena ubufaka ama-heater, yafaka ilokuze nini ama-heater laphana enkukhwini lapha, uzitshela ukuthi karesi nguJune umqando vele like iyabusula ilanga livuke lisenzani ama-thick booty
ama-waterborne disease
ugcine inkukhu zakho zigcina sesiba le-strap.
Yabo they adverted thick body chickens because your local supplier ule nkukhu ezinesishwapha. Bye broilers.
So yabonti umhlaba lo esiphile kiyo
avela sifeni majens asifeni zakhuluma ijoke edaka sitshani suicide pact sonke mhla ka 31 ziyahamba.
Hayi please
sitshani lakho, there's nothing to look forward to. We can't even look forward to a Drake album anymore.
But how crazy would it be ukuthi after saying that something tragic happens.
Hayi achakhulumisa nje hayi wakhulumisa. Njengento yenzakala namuhla.
J.
Athi namhla kwenzakala into
Yo. But yeah. This has been another episode of ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99. Before samba bemfuna isikhulume like predict osokuzenzakala uEnglish Premier League. Kala besenzile ama predictions but isizini bisingathi isasiqaliseni because it's first down. But judging from what's happening right now, okokuqala i-top 4, name your top 4.
Hayi top 4 I think is set already.
Lelo kuzende order ngkhona.
Hayi order singa alternate between Man U.
Mana phela.
Kanti ngiyoma answer kanti. Oh ubisaya what I saw.
Like see like sikudice, ngifuna ukudice.
Okay, sorry.
So i-top 4 mbano win league, mbano relegated and the situation in Chelsea right now because I feel like my team is angatha ale reputation ejayelo by Chelsea right now at it's
muddy waters. Well, when I khuluma or when you anticipate. Ciao 1 2 3 4.
Mncedisi, Arsenal, Manchester United, Newcastle. Yeah, because I don't.
Then 5 song about Liverpool.
Yeah. But I Brighton ilama games in hand. Kuza depend ukuthi badlala njani.
Episode iphuma basebedlele.
Basebedlalele Manchester United. Yafuna futhi ukukhuluma.
Sizalichayela, don't worry.
The last time ekhuluma njalo Liverpool yawina 7-0.
Look at ngomuthi all of a sudden imbali isayazi lina. Iduka kubuya lapha lenzani all of a sudden imbali.
But yeah, so yi top 4 yami.
Yeah, I agree with it. I-relegation lapha na Jackie sadly ni Leicester angiyibona iphuma lapha. I Leicester, Nottingham le what's the other one? The Southampton. But in Nottingham namfuni relegate. Cause kule
Nottingham has ile fan base is serious, bro.
Kulo mfana uJailings.
But there was like he fan base in Nottingham like serious.
I didn't know. Oh, as in like outside of
like I'm a fans not like it was a big
but for those places pela in Nottingham likasi lapho so every Country Park United, every Ntumbane United, so very obviously they come out in droves.
Yeah.
But Arsenal. Woo! Mina ngakukhuluma lokho. Ngathi by the end of the season, Man United is going to have more trophies than Arsenal. Kodwa when upromeka ugezi.
Le nwele zakho zingakanywa.
Wathi namthatha ngapi vele lo. Wanthatha lapho kulama trophy khona. Arsenal mpwempwe City zasithathela lafana. Mina I rather City ithathe vele ngoba ngama enemies esengwajayile. Sen the last 5 years ngithethana nabantu beCity. I don't need new people.
Aphathi
la ku Arsenal.
Ikuqala isilonde singapholiyo bro.
Anyway, sizabazama next season.
Lani phela.
Ngespirango. Yabona manje Premier League sinzima njani. The top 3 teams right now have only lost 4 games. Man City, Arsenal, they've only lost 4 games. So that's how tight your margins are now in the Premier League. Ungabona vile in the first 15 sale lose 3 next season. This is never halfway little channel lakho.
Yeah, but
I think you have to do the first 15.
City siyaqala like loser ama matches on alanga.
Amangaki.
Yeah, win. I think you lose 3 matches.
But they could have been cha.
Yeah, cha figure.
But I don't want to talk data vele so also.
City ngawule ndaba imaster business end of the league. Bra,
ukuthi kwenzakeleni phakathi
last 10 games maybe City win.
Njenga these days.
City win last 10 games.
Njenga these days. Bathi bechayisa iArsenal lafana nje ngathi babe ngani balesi Real Madrid lesane sika Ronaldo lesiya.
And do
like ku business end vela bavusisa.
Erling Haaland now has the most goals in a single Premier League season, bro.
It's true, but he has the most goals in a 38 game season because ubitu Salah. Angithi uSalah bele 33. Yenu say with 34. However, we had 2 other record holders, but ale asterisk Alan Shearer lo Andy Cole, but le 37. But that was in a 42 game season. Back kusale
but ngama matches asele I feel like
that's what's crazy. He might actually beat the record set in a 42 game season. In his first season, akachaye motivate so right. Akafendo.
Velas
uyadonda ku-renew. I think wenzeka competition record akahamba.
achaye phansi.
Even the perfect season. Yes.
yabe ngaphi bro next Real
Real
Madrid.
ifuna njani ndoda? Even le PSG ka racing ngendlela yenza ngayo, I'm sure the PSG would pay top dollar for him.
I think anyone would pay top, but
Yeah.
you have to be careful because labanu tolling supply sublime laba.
Exactly.
Labanu
Because
is
life
Kevin,
ona
De
ngayo
Bruyne.
ku
somebody Kevin ngale pure lo ngikhipha ndoda. Ngale pure ngu anyone.
Yeah, ngale yaphiwa ngani.
So well, I'm sure those are all good teams. No.
But I know if you enjoyed listening or ukusibukela, hit the like, subscribe button. Make sure you comment as well. Libuye lizothenga Zulu Fashion House.
Quality.
Nxa lifuna ukuthi lisibone sihlala siphuma sinje so. Do something guys.
Quality.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna have a cutting number, but they have some extremely nice clothes here.
Yeah, I think we'll just take a footage of
There's some
like, the
really
whole
nice
place,
clothes here.
then yeah.
In Bali Mall, guys. Figure it out, but
Namhlalathi in your words, siponye I-content
Says
imbali more.
Tonye content
My homies keep on checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.